Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I think we're always trying to find better ways and easier ways to clean our home. That's why you need to check out this awesome wet dry vac. This is by Etico, and this vacuum will totally make your cleaning a lot easier. This vacuum is completely cordless and it comes with a charging base that makes it easy to charge once you place it on there, and then when you're ready to use it, you get 45 minutes of cleaning time. This vacuum works entirely by electrolyzing your water, so if you're using it to wet mop your floors, you can add cleaner, but it's not absolutely necessary. I found that the vacuum works really well, and I really like that the water reserve in the back transfers over to the dirty water in the front. So if you're using the vacuum for wet cleaning, the water will be there, but if you're using it for dry cleaning, the vacuum will pick up just your dry items. The vacuum is so easy to use. It's lightweight, even though it's a really durable feeling and well-made vacuum, and it actually really even pulls itself a little bit while you're working, so it really does feel like it's really easy. Thanks to that mop, you can really get really close to the edges, so you don't have to worry about missing anything. And I also really like that when I'm using it, it's easy to move it around and maneuver, even around corners, and the whole experience is very simple. The vacuum is also really cool because it has a touch screen, so you can opt between that wet or dry mopping, and it will talk to you as well. So if it's getting a little bit low on power, it will tell you, and it actually reminds you to put it back on the charging base when you're done. And overall, I'm just really impressed by the quality of this vacuum and how it makes cleaning a little bit easier. But that's my point of view.